Sunday morning after Tennessee Nationals. The park is pretty much cleared out. It's super quiet. The weather is just perfect, and I actually was on the first shuttle, and I was by myself. For the second lap, Steven came up and met me, and we warmed up with a little cave boy to Snake Rock. So I was actually going to go home Saturday night, but I decided to stay for one more day and ride on Sunday, and what a great choice it was. TTC, I got beat up pretty bad. I wasn't 100% ready, I think, to race downhill with my foot, but I have been feeling really good. But I definitely was not ready to race Tennessee National, at least from my experience from last year. Steven had gotten hurt, and I ended up taking his place last year. It was muddy, it was tough, and I just didn't really think I would be able to handle that kind of situation again. I felt like the track was different this year. It certainly wasn't easier. It just, I don't know. It was just different, and obviously the weather was different. I still think it was a good call to not enter the race. I actually got to Windrock Thursday night and did somewhat of a track walk and kind of asked around a little bit if they thought there was a way and I might be able to register late, but my right knee ended up swelling up a little bit from the track walk, and it was pretty clear, having missed one day of practice, that I didn't need to race. And I also felt like I wanted to really support Steven. He's really kind of getting back to speed and getting back onto the bike, and so that's what we did. But I was very thankful that Steven took me up, and we got to run some runs on the race course. So my goal, we did, I think, 3 or 4 laps, was to just hit the beelines, just cruise. I was feeling good on the bike, and I wasn't racing. I just wanted to enjoy the day with Steven riding, and I was very thankful to get some time on the track. Looking forward to the next race. And if you didn't get a chance to see the Tennessee National track, or maybe you watched other videos or you watched Steven's video, this is a much slower video, and so you can probably get a little better idea of what the terrain was like or what the features were. And I think that Sunday was probably the best day out of all of the days at Tennessee Nationals in terms of the track, and so it would have been fun to see everybody actually get to race on Sunday. But that's racing, and you never know exactly what you're going to get. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be moving on to, I think, Ride Rock Creek for the Monster Energy Pro Downhill Series will be our next race, and we'll see you in the next one. for reminding me. Not as good as Steven there. Oh, oh. Oh, y'all ain't my crew. Is that you, Steve? Yeah, that's me. There we go. GoPro, stop recording.